I am walking down Parrot Tree Resort. It is in the middle of the island near Coxswain Cove. It is a little windy today, but not too bad. They have an incredible beach here. Very warm, very beautiful. Jeffrey is trying to boogie board, but the waves are kind of small. Just windy. I know. You can literally sit in the water in a chair, and it's just an incredible place. I'm actually going to go in the turquoise waters myself and sample it and see how it is. They have like little cabanas and little umbrellas, and of course this would be the only day that I did not bring a swimsuit because I knew it was windy and I assumed it was cold, and I'm not much of a beach person anyway. However, let's try the temperature. Oh my gosh, it is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And just like in the Corona commercials, you have people literally sitting on the beach, in the water. This is the nicest beach ever. It is beautiful. This is an amazing place. Not many people know about it, and it's just like an amazing place. They were trying to promote and sell us on the southern side, and I'm so glad that we didn't go. I don't know what that looks like. I'm sure it is more built, but this is a beautiful, very secret place. I don't know how many people know about it, but it is just a wonderful place to spend an afternoon or a morning. And the water is very shallow, and it is very comfortable. Well, very shallow, at least here.
Well, you're on.
I'm in the beach. I'm in the water. Now, this lady was telling me that they do have a hotel here, and they do have condominiums for sale. A one-bedroom goes for approximately $250,000. You can rent it out and kind of get your expenses a little bit, cut your expenses that way. Full of hammocks and volleyball court and little buildings that basically are the condos, and a bar, and they have a couple of restaurants, and they do have a swimming pool that we will go to later.